Hello, my dear students. This is Ankita Uchani, your online tutor, and I have around 10 years of working experience in management field. So today I'm going to talk about the subject which is general management, or in the books of BBA and MBA, that could be with the name of principles and practices of management, or general management, or business management. They all are almost same, right? So the topic on which I'm going to talk about is Henry Fayol's 14 principles, right? So as we all know, the management is an art of getting things done through others. So basically, in all kind of corporate and business organization today, the role of manager is very important, because manager is there to manage each and every functions in an organization. Now, what are functions in an organization? So like various functions like marketing, human resource management, then we have productions and operations management, we have financial management, nowadays we have social media management. So these all are basically the functions of management, right? And I'm going to talk about 14 principles of Fayol. So you all must be knowing that Henry Fayol is a great scholar in the field of management, and he gave us 14 principles of management a long time back in around 1950s, and it is still it is still going on, and it is still adapted by all kind of business organization. So the first principle that Henry Fayol talked about is division of labor or division of work. So Henry Fayol said that to accomplish any task in an organization, and that organization could be small organizations, small scale enterprises, medium scale, or even huge organizations like MNCs and all, multinational corporations. So Henry Fayol talked about that if to accomplish any task, if we divide the work in small units, and then specialized people are allotted to accomplish all the subtasks, then the task is accomplished in a much better and managed way than one person performing all parts of a task, right? For example, if some kind of product needs to be manufactured in a company, so there are various kind of tasks, like to arrange the raw material is one task, then to arrange the tools, machineries, that is another task, then finally the production cycle, then packaging, then distribution or logistics, that is another task. Now if one person is doing all kind of tasks, that person will go crazy, go mad. So that's why it is very important that different people do different tasks according to their specialization. So that is called division of work or division of labor. So that is the first principle of management. Now the second principle of management that Henry Fayol talked about is unity of command. Now what do you mean by unity? Unity means one, and command means order. Now in a house, for example, in a house, if we have a housemaid, and all the members of the house start giving orders to that maid, then that maid goes crazy. So same way it happens in an organization, that if one person is receiving orders from many bosses, then that person cannot do or accomplish any task efficiently and effectively. So that's why one subordinate should have only one superior, one boss, and he should get orders from there. So that's why we have some kind of hierarchy in every organization, that this person will give order to this, and there's a reporting boss or reporting manager for each and every person. So that is called unity of command. Now the third principle which Fayol talks about it's called equity. Now what do you mean by equity? Equity is equality in each and every way. So it says that the management should not be biased or partial towards any gender, any color, any caste. In India we do have so many caste and creed of people. So if there is any kind of partiality from top management or middle management side, so the employee feel very insecure. So that's why it is very important that the organization should run in a very impartial and unbiased manner. So these are the top 3 principles in 14 principles of management I wanted to talk about, and rest of the principles I will talk about in my next video. Thank you so much.